Now I request Chairman of the Department for welcome.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Respected Chief Guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am, Professor Naima Mudrez, our keynote speaker, very renowned Islamic scholar, Professor Abdul Rahim Kidwai, Director, Quranic Center, AMU Aligarh, and we have today Professor Samina Khan, Presiding Officer, Internal Complaint Committee, AMU Aligarh. My dear students and faculty members and colleagues, it is a very great pleasure for me and a very big honor for me today to welcome you all to this important seminar on the role of religion in combating ragging and harassment in the educational institutions. Today's event addresses a deeply pressing issue in academic environments, atmosphere around the globe. The harmful and unacceptable practices of ragging and harassment, and as a student, as a teacher, how the moral and the ethical guidance offered by the different and the various religions can play a very important and a vital role in addressing and preventing these behaviors. As you know, the education and its core is about personal growth, learning, and the development of character. Unfortunately, I am sorry to say that the spread of the ragging and harassment undermines these values, disrupting the peaceful atmosphere for which we work so hard to create in our universities and educational institutions. These practices cause pain, fear, and emotional trauma, robbing students of their sense of safety and dignity. It is our collective responsibility is to eradicate such behaviors and foster a culture of respect and a culture of kindness in the universities. A proactive approach involves creating culture of respect and inclusion, where senior students are encouraged to mentor and support newcomers rather than misbehave in the name of introduction. Universities must ensure that their anti-ragging policies are not only in papers but actively enforced in the hostels and in the campus. Orientation programs should include sessions on the harmful effects of ragging, legal punishments, and the support system available for victims. Regular workshops and seminars can also be conducted to foster a sense of empathy and responsibility among the students and as well as among the teachers. In this context, religion can offer a valuable insights and solutions. Across all the faiths, all the religions, we find universal principle of compassion, respect of human dignity, and non-violence and accountability. Today's seminar brings together different groups of scholars, religious leaders, and experts who will shed light on how religious teachings can guide us in building a stronger moral framework within our universities. We will explore how faith-based principles can develop in students a deeper sense of responsibility. As we know, in the Holy Book of Almighty Allah, in the Surah Hujarat, verse number 11, Quran says, just one our student has recited this verse, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la yaskhar qawmun min qawmin asa an yakunu khayran minhum, wa la nisa'un min nisa'in asa an yakunna khayran minhun, wa la talmizu anfusakum, wa la tanabazu bil alqab, bi'sa ismul fusuq ba'da al-iman, wa man lam yatub فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الظَّالِمُونَ. कुरान clearly mention, ऐ लोगों, एक दूसरे का मजाक मत करो, किसी को टीज मत करो, किसी को वला तनाबज़ू बिल अल्क़ाब, किसी को बुरे नाम से मत पुकारो, किसी को परेशान मत करो, किसी की इज्जत नफ्स से मत खेलो. हदीस में तो रैंकिंग में क्या होता है, इज्जत नफ्स मजरूह होती है बच्चों की. तो कुरान क्लियरली कहता है वमन लम यतुब, और जो इससे बाज नहीं आता है मस्खरापन से, बच्चों को परेशान करने से, इंट्रोडक्शन के नाम पर बेहुदा हरकतें करने से, कुरान कहता है जो उससे बाज नहीं आता है वह मल्लम यतुब फउलाइका हुमुज़ ज़ालिमून, तो वही लोग हैं जो अल्लाह के नज़दीक बहुत खसारे में हैं, बहुत जुल्म करने वाले हैं, बहुत जालिम हैं. तो इतनी क्लियर टीचिंग होने के बावजूद भी अगर हम अपने आप को इस तरह से वो न करें और अपने आप को ऐसा माहौल न्यू कमर्स लिए पैदा न करें, तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत शर्म की बात है. लीगल पुनिशमेंट अलग चीज़ है, लेकिन रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एक अलग चीज़ है. तो हमारे अंदर खुद एक रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आनी चाहिए एज ए स्कॉलर, एज ए स्टूडेंट ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी, हम इसको किस तरह से कर करें. सो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इस्लामिक स्टडीज, बिहाफ ऑफ द ऑल द टीचर्स फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इस्लामिक स्टडीज, आई वेलकम टू आवर कीनोट स्पीकर Professor Abdul Rahim Kidwai, Director Quranic Studies, who accepted our invitation to deliver the keynote address in this seminar. And also I am very thankful to our Honorable guest, Professor Samina Khan, Presiding Officer, Internal Complaint Committee, AMU Aligarh. And this Complaint Committee is a very active in the campus, particularly harassment cases among the girls. So we are thankful to her to accept our invitation also, and she is present here today. And finally, I welcome to our honorable chief guest, Professor Naima Gulrez, our honorable Vice Chancellor, to come here and to present this function. And as we know, without the support of the competent authority, without the support of the Vice Chancellor's office, we cannot organize such a big seminar on this very real topic. I don't know before in the university campus particularly that the seminar were organized on this topic before. So I want to say never. I think it's the first time the university is organizing this seminar. Actually, it is advised by the Honorable Vice Chancellor to hold the 2-day national seminar on this very important topic. So, I, behalf of all the departments, all the teachers, thanks to the man to come here, and also I am thankful to our colleagues, particularly our senior professors, Professor Ubaidullah Fahad Sahab, Professor Ziauddin Sahab, Professor Adam Malik Sahab, and Professor Abdul Majid Khan Sahab. All we are together to organize this conference. I hope the scholars will shed the light on this topic. Inshallah, the proceedings of this seminar also, inshallah, we will publish for the general public. Thank you very much. Thank you.